The Director General, National Institute for Pharmaceutical Research and Development, Dr. Obi Adigwe, says the implementation of the €80 million grant from the European Union to support vaccine research in Nigeria will commence soon. Adigwe disclosed this in an interview with the news agency of Nigeria in Abuja. The Director General described the grant as a critical step towards correcting Africa's vaccine dependency, which was highlighted during the COVID-19 pandemic. According to Adigwe, the grant facilitated the development of a comprehensive vaccine roadmap, which was produced through NIPRD's leadership in collaboration with relevant ministries, international partners, academic institutions, and private sector players. Adigwe said NIPRD is leveraging its mandate to build sustainable health security systems through pharmaceutical innovation.
You remember that during COVID, it was shameful that the whole of Africa depended on the global north and on Asia to produce vaccines. And then we had the issue of vaccines nationalism, where people produced their own vaccines and held on to the vaccines. And, on the one hand, they will be telling you about equity and justice and fairness. But when lives are at risk, we clearly saw how people held on to a lot of vaccines without wanting to demonstrate these principles they had preached. So we insisted that we must develop our own capacity to develop vaccines, do our research, and produce those vaccines here in our country. So we also led the grant from the European Union to build that capacity. We used that grant to develop a vaccines roadmap, vaccines research and development, all the way to manufacturing roadmap. And when that document came out, the coordinating minister, as well as the Minister of State, signed off on the document, had a signing ceremony, and I'm glad to inform you that that particular work that we did here has now led to the award of 18 million euros from the European Union in grants. And I think that 18 million euros is actually the biggest vaccines-related grant so far that has been awarded in the whole of Africa. As I speak to you, that particular grant implementation is about to begin. I sent a team of my lieutenants down to UNICEF, who is one of the grant implementers, and you will be hearing some very good news from that particular area very soon.